Today I'm taking a look at this knife sharpener. Now this thing is really pretty cool. Number one, it's got a nice solid base with rubber feet so it doesn't slide around. It really locks in there good. Then you have the sharpening stones themselves here, and you have 1,000 grit, 600 grit, and 360. So if you got some coarse stuff all the way up to some fine stuff. Now this just sits down here like this, depending on what side you want to use. So very, very nice. And then once that's in there, that's locked in there as well, so that doesn't slide. Now, you have this tool here you can use for sharpening chisels, like in a wood shop or something like that, or something like that. You set those up on here, and you can sharpen chisels and get that perfect angle every single time. What I use it for is kitchen knives, steak knives, and knives like this. Now, if you're skilled, you can do it yourself and just sharpen these things up like this. Flip it over and sharpen it like so. However, if it's your first time and you're not, comfortable doing that, they provide this nice little wedge tool here that is designed for you to slide into your knife like so. And it sits in here like this. Now you have something that's going to keep that angle for you. Set this on here. That's the angle. And now it's going to keep that same angle all the way for you. And then you can flip it over, do the other side, and you're gonna get a nice, perfect sharpen every time. And you can just slide this down if you have a longer knife, whatever, so you can move this thing around. And that's gonna give you a really, really nice edge. They also provide this nice piece of leather here, which is great for cleaning it up after the fact. You wanna clean your knife up, make sure you have any little particles off there, and then of course, rinse your knife off as well. But once you do this, you have yourself a very, very sharp knife. This thing really is fantastic. It has a nice manual here that shows you how to use it. And the fact that it has all these different grits on here is great. So if you have a knife that's really in rough shape, you can use the rougher grit to get that started and then work your way around to a finer grit and then ultimately up to the finest grit. And then you are good to go. I really like this thing. This thing is great. You use your knives in the kitchen a lot, and how often you sharpen them, and they're just harder to use. And actually, a dull knife is a more dangerous knife, so keeping them sharp makes it a lot better as well. Now, these guys are nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, and I really want to thank them. I really appreciate it. This thing is just really fantastic. It's got a little warranty card here as well. And again, you can use this not only in the house, but also out in the wood shop and other areas, sharpening different things like chisels. Just a fantastic tool all the way around. So, like I said, they sent this out to me to do this review. It'll be used quite a bit here in my kitchen. I want to thank them, and I really hope this short video helps you out, and you can determine whether or not this is right for you. But if you have some dull knives in the house, this thing gets 2 thumbs up from me.